So much for your love again. I don't know when I'll be here next, but I'm gonna go back to a lot of beautiful memories of your beautiful smiling faces, all the love you show us.